Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss another important topic in ethics and philosophy. The difference between reason and will. Have you ever known the right thing to do but still choose not to do it? Or have you ever wanted something so badly even though you knew it was wrong? This situation reveals an important truth about human being. Knowing what is right is not always the same as choosing to do what is right. This is where the concept of reason and will become essential. Reason helps us understand what is true and good, while they give us the power to choose and act. In this video, we will explore the meaning of reason and will, their difference, how they work together, and why they are important in moral decision making. What is reason? Reason is the intellectual power of human person that enable us to think, understand, analyze, and make judgment. It is through reason that we learn new idea, distinguish truth from falsehood, recognize right from wrong, solve problem, evaluate consequence, make informed decision. Reason allow us questions such as, is this action morally right? What are the consequences of this decision? Is this fair? Does this respect the dignity of others? In ethics, reason serves as our guide in discovering moral truth. Next, what is the will? The will is the human capacity to choose the act freely. It reason tell us what is good. The will enable us to choose the good. The will is responsible for our decision and action. For example, you know that studying is important. That knowledge is comes from the reason. Actually, sitting down, opening your books, and studying is an act of will. The will transforms knowledge into action. What are the difference between reason and will? Although reason and will work closely together, they have different function. Reason is concerned with thinking and knowing it as what is true, what is right, what should I do. Will, on the other hand, is concerned with it choosing and acting. It asks, what will I choose? What action will I take? Am I willing to do what is right? In simple terms, reason discover the good, the will choose the good. Reason inform, the will decide. For example, imagine that you have an important examination tomorrow. Your friend invites you to a party. Your reason tells you, if I study tonight, I will be a better prepared for the exam. However, you will must decide whether to study or attend the party, even if the reason clearly identifies the better choice that will remain free to accept or reject it. This shows that knowing what is right does not automatically guarantee doing what is right. Can the will go against reason? Yes, human beings sometimes choose action that they know are wrong. For example, a student knows cheating is dishonest but cheat anyway. A driver knows speeding dangerous but continues to drive recklessly. A person knows lying is wrong but lies to avoid responsibility. In these cases, reason recognizes the morally correct action, but the will chooses differently. This is why ethics emphasize the importance of developing both reason and will form will. How the reason and will work together? The reason and will are not enemies. They are partners in moral decision making. The process usually follows this step. First, reason examine the situation, it gather information, evaluate alternative, and determine what appears to be morally right. Second, the will chooses whether to follow the reason's judgment. Finally, the person acts according to that decision. Good moral decisions require both clear thinking and a strong commitment to doing what is right. The role of conscience. Reason and will are closely connected with conscience. Conscience is an inner judgment that tells us whether an action is morally good or morally wrong. Reason helps conscience understand moral principle. The will decide whether to follow the judgment of conscience. For example, your conscience tells you that returning a lost wallet is the right thing to do. Reason explain why honesty and respect for property are important. The will decide whether to return the wallet or keep it. Developing the reason and will. Both reason and will can be strengthened through practice. We develop reason by studying, reflecting, asking questions, learning from experience, thinking critically. We strengthen the will by practicing self-discipline, resisting temptation, developing good habit, following our conscience, repeatedly choosing what is right, as the philosopher Aristotle taught. Good character is formed through the repeated practice of good action. The more we choose what is right, the stronger our will become. Why understanding reason and will matters. Understanding the difference between reason and will helps us become better moral agent. It reminds us that morality is not only about knowing ethical principle, it also about having the courage and determination to put those principles into practice. A person may possess a great knowledge but still fail morally if the will is weak. Likewise, good intention alone are not enough without sound reasoning. True ethical living require both. For example, in daily life, we use reason and will every day. A student uses reason to understand that plagiarism is wrong and the will to complete assignment honestly. A doctor uses reason to determine the best treatment and the will to serve patient with compassion and integrity. A public servant uses reason to understand the law and the will to act with honesty rather than corruption. In each case, reason provides direction while the will provides action. Reason is a human capacity to think, understand, and determine what is true and morally good. Will is the human capacity to freely choose and act according to those judgments. Reason tells us what ought to be done. The will decide whether we will actually do it. A morally mature person is one whose reason seeks the truth and whose will consistently choose the good. By developing the both reason and will, we become more responsible, ethically, and authentic human being. Thank you for watching. Bye.